The Chola culture is basically divided into three parts. One is the temple architecture, and the second one is the sculpture, and the third one is paintings. These are the artistic things that the Chola kings have made. And let us see the temple architecture. The temple architecture of Cholas is of Dravidian style, or it is also a famous style of South India. The chief feature of this temple structure is the Vimana story, which is later eclipsed by a beautifully decorated gopuram that is nothing but the gateway. Generally, the village assembly used to gather at the mandapa of these villages, of these temple villages. We found in PUDUKKOTTAI district of Tamilnadu, there are many temples which show the Chola architecture, and these temples resemble the architecture style of Pallavas to Chola style. For example, the VIJAYLAYA Temple of Choleswaram, NAGESWARA Temple of the KUMBAKONAM KURANGANADA Temple at SRINIVASANALLURU, and we found a twin temples of AGASTYISVARA and CHOLESWARA at TIRUNELVESWARAM. Under Rajaraja Cholavan, at mature stage, a Siva temple was constructed, and it is a great temple. At one side of the temple, there is a carving of a man's head with European topi, and it is considered as the Venetian travel of Marcopolo, and he traveled in India in the 13th century. The GANGAI KONDA CHOLAPURAM, that is, which is dedicated by Rajendra Cholavan in the year 1030. The previous temple Rajaraja Cholavan dedicated in the year 1009, and this temple was dedicated by Rajendra Cholavan in the year 1030. This temple is called Siva Temple or Brihadaisvara Temple. After that, in the later period, AIRAVATESVARA Temple that was seen in DARASURAM of Tanjore district. Similarly, we have seen a temple at KAMPAHARESWARA Temple at TRIBHUVAN in the later period. These are the temple architectures that we know from the Chola Empire. And let us go to the sculpture. It's an art. We can see three types of arts in the sculpture. They are also called three classes. There are portraits, that life line images, and icons. There are specialized one. These icons are built for specialized people who are expert in some of these strikes, like Bhima expert in war, like Arjuna's expertise in the war, like that. These icons also built. And the third type is decorative one. The decorative one, it consists of different type of items which are in the form of figures, or some of the vegetables, branches, some of them are the animals, etc., etc. We have seen in Kuranganada Temple of SRINIVASANALLURU and Nageswara Temple of Kumbakonam, the life-sized portraits which are duly preserved till now. Early Chola iconology we found in Siva Temple of Tiruvalaiswaram. It's a variable museum for iconology. The Brihadaisvara Temple at Tanjore and Gangai Konda Cholapuram Temple contain number of icons of large size with a fine execution. What happened in around the 9th century or middle of the 9th century, the Cholas used to cast the bronze statues. The famous bronze statue is the dancing Siva, that is nothing but the Nataraja statues. This is clearly found in the Nageswara Temple at Kumbakonam, and this is the most prestigious project that was done in the reign of Raja. Similarly, a group of 3 statues of this bronze nature, that is Rama, Lakshmana, Sita, and at their feet the Hanuman, was found in a finest way module in Tanjore district. This is also the great project done by the Raja Chola. And when we see the decorative sculptures, they are exhibited in many forms. The architectural motifs, floral and vegetable patterns, flowers, etc., friezes, birds, animals, dancing structures. These are all we found in the form of stories also in many temples. So these are all the architectural natures in the temples. And we also found the paintings. What type of paintings that we found? In Vijayalaya Temple, that is Choleswaram Temple, and also in the Rajeswari Temple, we found the paintings of great nature, that is Mahakala, Devi, Siva, and visible on the walls of the Vijayalaya Temple. Similarly, we found these paintings in the Rajeswara Temple, the abode of Siva in Kailasa, Nataraja paintings, Tripuranta paintings. They were all painted with variable colors, which are of very standard ones. The Chola culture shows temple architecture, sculpture, and paintings, and these are all specially exhibited and painted and carved in the temples, in the walls of the temples, and also specially they made icons of some of the great and important personalities.